How to make a free website with free domain name. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide where you can create your own website just like this. So let's click on the blog post for you to see, and it is also having a nice written blog post as well. Okay, so let's get right into it. Simply go to Google, and then from Google simply come here to the Google search and come and type in blogger. Okay, and then hit enter. When this comes, come and select the official site of blogger.com. It's going to bring you right here, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on create your blog. Okay, so when you click on it, all that you have to do is simply come and then choose your Gmail account and then come and then put in your password to log in. After that, simply come here to where you have the next and then come and click on the next. So when you click on the next, you have to come and then start creating your website. Okay, so the first thing is to choose a name for your blog. So I'm simply going to write the name of my blog right here to where you have the title, and I'm going to call it blogging tools. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the next. So when you click on the next thing is to come and then choose your domain. Okay, so the URL address, that's going to be your domain name. I'm going to call it best blog tools. Okay, it's going to be added to blogpost.com, and that's going to be your domain, and then simply come and click on the next. Okay, after that, over here you have to come and then confirm your display name, and then for the display name I'm going to use the exact name, that is blogging tools. Okay, and after that simply come here and then come and click on the finish. So the next thing I have to do is to simply wait for your website to be built for you. And as you can see, simply come and then close this one, and we have successfully created our website just like that. Come here to the themes, okay, and then you can come and then choose any of the theme that you want and then customize it. But I'm going to show you how to get a very nice theme by downloading it. Okay, all that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from the Google search simply come and then type in Go Ayabi and come and select Go Ayabi template. Okay, simply come and then select the official site on Blogger templates, whereby you are going to get a totally free blogger template. Okay, so with this one you don't have to pay any money, it's totally free. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see that we have so many nice templates that is far better than the one that blogger gives. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so to select it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on it. So after clicking on it, you can simply come and then click on view live, or you can simply come and then click on the download directly. So let's click on download to download it. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully downloaded it. Let's click on the open to open it. The next thing you have to do is simply come and then extract it. Okay, so right click on it and then simply come here to where you have extract all and come and click on it. The next thing you have to do is simply come and then click on the extract. Okay, and then wait for it to be extracted. So after it has finished extracting, come and then extend the type. Okay, so that you know the exact document that you are selecting. Okay, so we are going to select this one. Okay, let me check the box for you to see. This is what you are going to select. Okay, and it is having HTML document at the end of it. HTML document at the end of it. Okay, so that's what you are going to select. So let's go back to the themes and then simply come here, the first theme, come and then select that one. Okay, and then where you have the customize, come and click on the down arrow and then come and then select restore. Okay, so click on restore, and over here you can simply restore by simply uploading the file that we have extracted. So come and click on the upload and then come and select the one that I told you. Okay, the one which HTML document at the end of it by clicking on it. After that, simply come here to where we have the open and come and click on the open. Okay, and as you can see, it is restoring the theme for us. Okay, so it has finished restoring. As you can see, it is modified. Simply come here to where we have view blog and then come and click on it. So when you click on view blog, you are going to see that the website is here. The next thing I have to do is simply come and then change the logo. It is having their default logo, so let's change it. So to change it, simply go back to the blogger theme. Okay, and then come here to where we have the layout and come and click on it. So from the layout, you are going to see that we have a header logo. Okay, and then come and click on this editing tool and simply scroll here where we have the image. You will see that we have select image or sort by. Okay, select image by. Simply come and then click on upload image from computer by checking the circle. and under it you are going to see that we have choose file. Okay, come and click on choose file, and then simply come and then select your logo. Okay, so I'm going to select this logo, and the selecting is simply come and then click on the open, and as you can see the logo has been selected. The next thing that you have to do is simply scroll down and then come here to where we have the save, and come and click on the save. So when you click on the save, the logo is going to be displayed. So let's go to view blog, and then you will see that we have successfully putting in our own logo. Okay, so that is it. This is how to create a website for free with a free domain name. Like the video and then see you in my next video.